I think you've got one right there.
Huh?
What do you think?
Come on, Boo Boo.
How do we do that?
You will just get them, throw them right into your bucket.
Yeah?
I'll go out and get your bucket with you.
Oh, okay.
I'll be buying. Will you bring snow? From the whole drift.
The whole drift I have to bring? Let's do it in the sun.
Now, get your snow angel.
Okay. I dare you to do it like right in that drift.
Why you
Lay down. Make...
Oh, look at the sky.
Can you make a snow angel? Oh, I love it.